Hello everyone, this is Chef Tarun. I hope you're enjoying my weekly recipes. Today's recipe is gonna be about protein bowls. If you're looking something for lunch or if you have a long day at work and you wanna make something for dinner, protein bowls is the perfect rescue. Literally you can divide them into sections. You can use half a section for grains, protein, lettuce, and you can literally enjoy them all together, all nutritious in one bowl. So let's check out the ingredients. We'll start with wild rice. We have chicken breast. We have red cabbage. We have oregano, paprika powder. We have got hot sauce. We have got fresh ginger garlic paste. We have got peanut butter. We have got soy sauce. For the seasoning, salt, mint leaves, lemon, olive oil, fresh lettuce and fresh cucumber. So let's begin with preparation. We are going to marinate the chicken first. So this is chicken breast, skinless and boneless. What we're going to do is we are going to butterfly it. So we are going to marinate as it is. So we'll take a mixing bowl, olive oil, about 1 tablespoon, oregano 1 teaspoon, paprika powder half a teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, salt for seasoning, just a pinch. Just mix it nicely and drop your chicken breast into this. Make sure all the marination has been completely merged with the chicken here. It's well coated from all ends, both the sides. And now I'm gonna keep it in rest for minimum 30 minutes. So while our chicken is getting marinated, I'm gonna begin with our salad. So we'll start with cucumber. So we'll cut the cucumber into half and we're gonna cut diagonally. I'm going to show you a different cut of cucumber, and when we're gonna look at protein bowl, so you've got different sections and different cuts of vegetables as well. So this is done. We'll take red cabbage, remove the stem, start shredding it as finely as possible. Now we will bring back our marinated chicken and we are going to cook our chicken breast. So we'll start with olive oil, just a drizzle. So let's take our chicken breast. So 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna flip it. So let's flip them. So chicken is well grilled here. We'll take it out. So I'm gonna begin with our sauce, which is peanut butter, around 1.5 tablespoon of peanut butter. We will let it mix. We will add soy sauce, just 1 tablespoon of the flame. Then we have hot sauce. I like it spicy, so I'm gonna add around 4 teaspoons. Back to the flame again, and I'm gonna add some water. And I'm not gonna add any salt in the sauce since we have added our soy sauce, which is already a little bit salty here. One last boil and we are done with our sauce. So our sauce is ready. You see the consistency. I'm gonna pour it here. It's runny. So in the same pan, I'm gonna toss our parboiled black rice, wild rice. No oil, no butter, just in the same sauce. Using about 1 cup. Just to reheat and coat well in the sauce. So while our rice getting warmer, we'll take our chicken and we will slice it. So our chicken is ready and cut. Rice are also crispier and warmer in the bowl. So let's bring our bowl. We'll start with our crispy wild rice. We'll put them into one corner. So we have red cabbage, we have fresh cucumber, iceberg lettuce. It's pretty simple, you don't have to cut them, just shred them with your hands. Let's bring our chicken. We'll take lemon. You can squeeze some lemon on the side. Fresh mint leaves. See, step by step it gets beautiful. You've got beautiful colors. And our star ingredient which makes our protein bowl complete. So we have got peanut sauce and we're gonna pour it on the chicken and a bit on the rice. So it can be served on the side. So your peanut butter chicken protein bowl is ready, and now it's time to pair up with a drink. So let's begin. So with our spicy peanut butter chicken bowl, I'm gonna pair up with something cold and refreshing. So this one is gonna be cherry cooler. So let's check our ingredients. We have fresh de-seeded cherries, lemon, fresh mint, we have got black salt, ice and our sparkling water. So let's begin our process with blending some cherries. So I've taken about 8 to 10 pieces of fresh cherries. We're gonna take fresh lemon. Remove the seeds. I'm taking only quarter of lemon here. Fresh mint leaves. Handful of mint leaf. So mint leaves are gonna add as a freshener here. It has got a very nice aroma and it's gonna give freshness to our drink. We will add little sparkling water. Let's blend. So this is ready. We'll bring our glass. With the help of same lemon, I'm gonna rub the rim. So you might have noticed all our recipes are very quick and easy, and this is what our idea is to give you. Literally you can make this drink in within 4 to 5 minutes. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna rotate and have a nice coating on the glass of black salt. Perfect. Let's take some ice. Fresh mint leaf. Our blended cherry. Final topping, sparkling water. For the garnish, fresh mint leaves. So here we have our cherry cooler, which is ready to go. So I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Whether you are in a quick rush or you are rushing for dinner, this protein bowl is right here. This is a quick fix. Even you can do a vegetarian version. with cottage cheese or tofu. On the side we have got a cherry cooler which is very refreshing for the soul. You can make it in few minutes. We'll see you next week with another exciting recipe. Till then, take care, stay connected.